Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Chevy Cruze AC system. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to prevent injury from refrigerant or tools. First, you'll need to find the low-pressure service port on your vehicle's AC line, usually marked with an L. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool before you start any work. Now let's prepare for the recharge. Take your AC recharge kit and firmly attach the quick connect fitting to the low-pressure service port you located earlier. You should hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Next, give your refrigerant can a good shake to mix its contents thoroughly. Once connected, start your Chevy Cruze engine and set the air conditioning to its maximum cold and fan speed settings. With the engine running and AC on high, it's time to add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and slowly squeeze the trigger, adding refrigerant in short, 5 to 10 second bursts. Between each burst, check the pressure gauge on your kit. You want to reach the recommended pressure range, typically indicated by a green zone on the gauge. Stop adding refrigerant once the gauge shows a full charge to avoid overfilling. Once the system is charged, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure service port. You might hear a small hiss, which is normal. Take a moment to inspect the service port area for any signs of leaks, ensuring everything is sealed properly. Finally, enjoy your newly recharged AC and the cool air. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.